You see how thick that is? It doesn't even want a liquid. Remember a while back we did a taste test of thickened water. Well, today I'm gonna do a taste test of thickened coffee and thickened juice. If you have problem swallowing, you might have to drink one of these things. You see, regular water is way more liquidy. This one is quite more thick. This is what thick water looks like. Oh my gosh. Look like glycerin to me. Wow, that's weird. And in case you forgot, this is how regular water pours. Yeah, definitely not thick at all. Alright, there goes taste test. Ooh, it definitely has a weird aftertaste, probably from thickening. But I thought it would be worse. But it's just so weird. I hope I don't ever have to drink that. It's strange for sure. How about thickened juice? Ooh, smells like orange juice. Is this orange juice? Yeah. Okay, let's pour it a little bit. Do you see that? Do you see how thick that is? It doesn't even want a liquid. Wow. That is just like, I don't even know, look like slime. I guess juice kind of a little bit more thickened. It's honestly to me harder to swallow than regular juice, but it does not have a weird aftertaste like water does. So this one actually not that bad. Reminds me of kisel. Yeah, I definitely would stay away from water, thickened water. Regular water tastes so much better. Okay, and then we got here thickened coffee. Let's see. Look at that. You don't even wanna pour. It kind of drops. You see it? So yeah, that's the idea of it. So if you have a hard time or medical condition on drinking regular water, you might have to drink one of these things. That's what it's made for. But yeah, let's taste test it. Okay, there goes nothing. That is not good. Although orange juice is not bad at all, but wow, coffee was the worst, worse than water. I hope I don't ever have to drink this again. There you go, thickened coffee, thickened water, and thickened juice. Very strange stuff over here. Ooh,